Good morning, everybody. Today is Chokodora. My ears look like Dumbo ears. Fix them. Anyway, today I started my adventure with my little mini Chokodora, and we are having already a great morning. It's about 34 degrees, feels like 24, partly cloudy, and we're on the way to her favorite spot, Arabian Mountain. Yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted. Ah.
Just sit down.
So Janelle is dared. She wants me to dare her to eat a prickly pear, palito thing.
Yeah, but it's like it's.
Hey, you said you're gonna eat it, so go.
I said it's prickly. Hold on.
That's what's called prickly pear or prickly pear or whatever.
I have to get it at the right angle.
Oh my God.
Hold on, I'm trying to break it. Ready?
Do you guys think she's gonna eat it?
I think I'm. Ow!
Ah, she didn't make it. Ah. Janelle is trying to catch a frog at the frog pond at 30 degrees, and hopefully she'll make it.
This rock has nothing underneath.
Okay, so she's looking underneath the rocks.
I'm serious. I'm
Okay.
gonna catch one.
You're gonna catch a frog
Yeah.
at 30 degrees in a frog pond
This
that
one
is
has
super
nothing.
cold.
This
Is
one,
that how you catch them?
Yeah, you los levanta.
Oh, okay.
He wanted to catch a frog. Okay.
Oh my God. So that's the technique to catching the frogs.
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Start jumping out.
Are they big or are they small?
Nah, they're like medium. Not big or small.
And she's wearing her rookie shoes, y'all. On a stick, she's determined to finding a reptile. What are you doing today?
I'm finding a frog.
Okay.
I'm going to get one.
Okay, she's gonna find a frog. Why? I don't know, but okay.
It's a frog pond.
You're gonna keep it as a pet?
Maybe. If Milo doesn't get to it. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna fillet it.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna eat a, what is it called?
Bristly pear leaf. She is
But I'm
filleting.
getting also like all sorts
Well, you need to clean it first.
How do you clean it?
Figure it out. You got a knife in your hands.
I know, I'll do that. What is this?
Oh my God.
I'm like super girl.
No, you cut away from you, not towards you.
I know that.
No, you don't, because you did it, dummy.
Okay, wait. Okay, Mom.
Oh my gosh. Look. This is our view. And this is what this fool is doing.
Okay. I got a little piece open.
Okay, I triple dare you to eat it.
I'm
Eat
going
the
to
inside.
eat it.
And if you're allergic to it, you're gonna die.
I'm not allergic to anything. People can't be allergic to anything. But I have to take all the little thingies out.
Camp people, you mean hikers? Oh my goodness.
I know what I said. Okay, ready?
Please forgive her. Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm not responsible for anything that happens to you. You need to peel it right.
I did. Look at that. It whole like 2 layers are off.
Oh my God. You don't put the knife on your face.
Oh, it smells like a
That's
perfume.
not safe. Oh my goodness. People,
Okay.
please forgive her.
Mamá, por favor, mira. It smells
Okay.
like a perfume.
Listen.
Or is that my hands?
Go, eat
Okay,
it,
okay,
eat
okay,
it,
okay,
eat it, eat it.
Ready?
You gotta taste it. You gotta
I
bite.
will. Okay, wait.
You
wait.
have to cut a little piece of it. You have pricks everywhere.
Okay.
Oh my word.
Okay, ready?
Ugh.
Oh, it tastes like watercress.
Like watercress?
Yeah.
Ew.
Hold on.
You're gonna get a.
I'm trying not to get that espinita in my face. Hold on.
You need to. Oh my God.
Actually, it tastes kind of good. It tastes like water.
Okay. Look what we just found. Oh, breathtaking. Oh, wow.
Hey, you have your livestock.
Yeah. It's clear water. That water is clean. Is it cold?
Drink the water.
Is that a dare?
It's a dare. I would drink it. It's like literally 100% clean. Oh my god! No! Stop! Oh my god, no you didn't! Oh my goodness! Are you okay? Do you feel okay?
Okay. Go.
It's not that stable.
You said you would do it. This fool is about to.
It's not stable, look. No, okay, I'll just look for the water. Oh my goodness, Mom.
What are you laughing at?
Tastes good, Mom. Good job.
Good.
Oh my god, you're recording, huh?
It's great coffee.
It is, isn't it?
Nice and hot.
with a Chick-fil-A bagel.
Here, Bear Bear. Janelle likes it when I call her bears.
No, I don't.
Here, Bear Bear. We're in the middle of the woods now. Just left the rock or the mountain and the river. And this is what we see. Here, Bear Bear.
Oh,
Snowing. How cool.
no, it could be just flowers.
No, it's snowing.
I think it's flowers.
It's snowing.
I'm trying to get. I think it's bird doo-doo.
No, it's snowing.
It's bird turd.
It's not bird turd. It's snowing. This is snow. No, it's not. It's snow. I'm telling you. Oh my God.
Oh, you got the easy way. Oh my goodness.